Okay, so don't mind the mess over there. I haven't had time to actually clean it up yet. I literally just finished the setup. So what you see here is a DIY build racing sim. So the seat was purchased from Facebook Marketplace for 20 bucks locally, and then I've had this steering wheel, pedals, and H shifter for a while. It's a Logitech G27. It's not the latest one, but still works on Windows 10. There's some issues with Windows 11 with some kind of memory thing or protection thing. So anyway, so I'm on Windows 10. I've been playing this for a while. As you can see, I have this metal frame here. This was the original setup. So this used to be pushed in, where the table is, and then I will have a chair here. The problem with that is because there's two separate pieces, the chair tend to move backwards, when you press the brakes, gas and all that stuff. So what I end up doing is I build a frame. So the 2x4s are on the bottom. This metal frame is sitting on top of it now. The front are screwed in, so this thing doesn't actually move anywhere. And then obviously the racing setup hasn't really changed. The only thing that's added is now there's a platform here that gives me to have decent seat height. I've also added the, I don't know if you can see this, you can also add the, there's a control that will potentially, anyways, so by pulling up this lever, the seat actually goes forward and backwards. So obviously making, going in and out of the seat a little bit easier. So yeah, so it actually works really well. When I wanted to play games, I will push. There are wheels and casters on the bottom, but they don't work really well. They're really cheap, so I may end up eventually at some point replacing it. Okay, so I have this, and then I would, come in, and as you can see, the lever here, I can actually move the seat forward, which gives me the pretty good driving position here with my feet, gas, pedal, clutch, and then, that's at the right height. May adjust the steering wheel a little bit, just because it feels a little low, but still works pretty well. My widescreen setup. So here are some of the games I play. Assetto Corsa, Beaman G. Drive, GTR 2, Raceroom Experience. That's actually a pretty good game. It's not completely free, but it does have pretty good physics and force feedback. And I have not installed this other game that I used to play it a lot. I probably will go back into it at some point. It's called Live for Speed. So if you do a Google search for LFS or Live for Speed, I think it's a software company from UK, and it does very good physics simulations. So the racing, the force feedback and stuff is pretty good. So yeah, so here it is, and works really well. And as you can see, I can push this out, and then that allow me to get out easily. And yeah,